you develop your district?
Well, we can see everywhere in this country that landowners are not treated fairly. So I will not speak for them, but I'll speak for my district. We have been continuously fighting for the national highway to be fixed. We have so many big companies there like Zineg. Those people who probably got that IDG funds know that they also eat Zineg chicken, but they can't fix the road to bring the chicken down. So these are the big companies like also for Benji Forest, Eden Valley, now Wafi Gold too, much talked about. And alluvial miners. There's money in my district. We've been contributing to this country for so many years now. So why can't they just do the right thing? This money, we call it IDG or infrastructure development, right? Supposed to go to things like road, bridges, schools, basic things that will help the people in the village, so they don't come to town like in Leh or come to Mosby and disturb the member. The member should be focusing on doing, free of people bugging him. He must be free and he must be open-minded and he must move forward with many other things besides this IDG and landowner issues.